Hey guys, it's Cindy here with Jumper, and in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to integrate with Shopify and import your products. When you're on your Jumper dashboard, simply click on Integrations, and under Shopify, hit Connect. So if you look at the Shopify integration page, you can see that there are two steps. Step 1, to create a private app, and if you click on Add Keys, that's the step 2, to enter your keys. Now, while there are many points under each step to do, I'm going to walk you through all of this in this video, so don't worry guys. Now, before we can go in and create a private app, we need to log into our Shopify account. So here, I'm just going to click Login. I'm going to now paste in my store address. I'm going to punch in my email. And there you have it guys, I'm now signed into my Shopify account under Yogasty21. Now, when I'm on the Shopify dashboard, I simply go into the Apps section, and then I click on Manage Private Apps. You can see here that it says create a new private app, so all you need to do is to click on this button, and now we can actually start on creating our private app together. So as you guys can see, there are 3 parts to creating your private app. So first you have your app details, you have then your admin API, and then you have your storefront API before you can actually click save and finish. So we're going to first go through the app details. So for the private app name, I'm just going to call it Yogasty, and the emergency developer email, I'm going to put in my personal email. Now this is the important part, the admin API. When you move on to this section, please make sure that you enable both read and write access for all permission under store content like articles, blogs, comments, pages, and redirects, so read and write, customer details and customer groups, orders, transactions, and fulfillments, products, variants, and collections. Make sure you click on this drop down button below. So I'm going to scroll down until I hit shipping rates, countries, and provinces. I'm going to enable read and write access here. If I continue to scroll down, discounts as well, so read and write access, product information, so just above the discounts as well, and fulfillment services. So if I scroll down, here it is, just right here, so read and write access. So after that, when I scroll down to the storefront API, I simply check this box and I allow this app to access my storefront data using the storefront API. After this, all you need to do is scroll down to the bottom and click on Save. So here, Shopify will let you know that this will generate a new set of API credentials that can be used with your store. All you need to do then is click I understand, create the app. And there you have it guys, we've just created a private app successfully together. So now guys, after creating our private app successfully, if you scroll down, you can see here that we've got access to the API key, a password, and also all the way at the bottom, a storefront access token. So this is all the key details you need to continue the next part in your Shopify integration process. So if I click back to Jumper, and then I click Add Keys, as you can see here, this is where we fill in the missing information. So here I'm going to go back to the Shopify page. I'm going to click on this clipboard sign, which means copy. So I'm copying the API key, and I simply paste the private API key here. I'm going to go back, copy the private password, and paste the private password over here. I'm going to go back to the Shopify, scroll all the way down the bottom until I access the storefront access token. Once again, click on the clipboard, and then paste it down here. So now the last thing is your Shopify store URL. So the URL isn't on this page, but all you need to do to access it is click on the online store button. And if I click on the tab up front, you can see here at the https://yogasti21.myshopify.com. That's simply my online store URL. So I'm going to copy this part and then I'm going to paste it just in here. So once I've got all this information done, all I need to do is click on the submit button. And there you have it, guys. My Shopify has been connected successfully. And now I can actually move forward to importing my Shopify products over. To import products from Shopify, this process should actually automatically pop up after you connect to your Shopify account. But let's say in the event you want to come back to it later. So if you pop over to your left, you can actually find the Shopify import just under the products bar here. So as you guys can see, I have 2 products in my Shopify store that I can import over to Jumper. All I need to do is simply fill in a hashtag. So here I'm going to fill in t-shirt, and just at the bottom for the little black dress, I'll fill in LBD. And then all I need to do is click on import. And that's it, guys. As you can see up here, there's a confirmation that the product has been imported successfully. So now if I go onto my left and click on manage products, you can see here that both the little black dress and the short sleeve t-shirt have been imported over from Shopify into Jumper. In terms of inventory, this is now synced with Shopify, and the price has also been synced with my Shopify account. So since my 2 items here are synced with Shopify, if I click back to Shopify on the product section, and let's say I click on the short sleeve t-shirt, if I make any changes to the title, the pricing, or the inventory, this will have immediate impact on how it is displayed and what kind of information is pulled into Jumper. And this is all because the product data is synced from Jumper with Shopify. So here, if I do decide to change a few information, so let's say here for the little black dress, I'm gonna click on the view button here. You can see here that while I can change the product name and the product description, there's not much else I can do because the data is synced with Shopify. And that's it when it comes to importing a product over from your Shopify store to your Jumper account. Now to move forward, I'm going to show you how to share this item onto your sales channels. Now under manage products, so if I click on the share button here and then the Facebook icon, I am now redirected to the sell via Facebook and Messenger page. So all I need to do here is I simply click on the choose product symbol, I click on my little black dress, and if I'm happy with the post text here, if I'm happy with the headline, description and call to action, all I need to do then is click on the share button. Once it's been confirmed that the post has been shared to Facebook, all I need to do then is to click on the Yogasti link here. And now if I go onto the Facebook page, I can see just below that it says just now that if you comment with hashtag LBD, you can buy now. So that was just the post that I posted via Jumper. So now guys, if I click on the shop now button, you can see here that I've been directed to my Facebook Messenger page. So now I can simply click on buy now, select my quantity order, put in my address, and I will see now an order summary of 1 unit, so 1 dress for 40 Australian dollars, shipping will cost me $10, tax $4, so in total that'll be $54, and I can choose to pay cash on delivery. And that's it guys, I've just got an order confirmation just below that I'm paying cash on delivery and it will ship to my home address. And there you have it guys, learning how to integrate with Shopify can be an easy and simple process. If you have any questions, please feel free to have a look at our knowledge base, other how-to videos, or have a friendly chat with our customer success team. The team at Jumper are always here and happy to help.